Good morning, guys. This morning we're taking the 49 out. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Pennsylvania. And we're heading down to Jeff's shop. And we're going to check out my buddy Tony's Gasser Nova. So, for you Gasser fans and just car fans alike, stick around and check out this video. Alright, so a little backstory. So Tony had an awesome coupe. And Tony decided he'd had it for a while, and he decided he wanted to trade it. So he traded that coupe for this Nova that we're looking at. So, yeah, I think he made a nice even trade because both cars are super cool. So anyway, like I say, we're heading down there right now, and we're gonna have a look at this bad boy. First time I've seen it. I've seen videos and pictures of it, but this is the first time I got to see it in person. He picked it up like a week ago or something like that, and I just haven't hooked up because it is in the middle of March. So, but anyway, we're gonna go look at that, and I'm excited to see it. Jeff's got Mike's 56 sitting outside. We can get Tony's car in, get it on the left, and have a really good look at it. This is Mike's 56. It's in right now having a new 4-speed Tremec put in at Jeff's shop. It's a pretty clean car.
All right, stand on it for us. God damn, you listen.
He did it.
Well, I'll go in here and open the door up.
Alrighty. Such a cool car. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video. I'd like to take a second, ask you to support the channel. Only thing you have to do, and it's completely free, hit this like button, come down here, hit that sub button, click on the little bell and hit all. That way you'll get notifications every time we put up a new video. And like I say, it's free and it really supports the channel. So thanks a lot, and back to the video. Alright, how cool is this car? 327, 365 horsepower stick car. Close-up look at the Novacaine. Love the look of that tilt hood on this. This car just screams old school gasser.
That's a gasser though. Right. Because they took, but see, they drove them to work, they drove them to the truck, and they drove them home.
I think it's too quiet.
Yeah, we have to work on that.
Yeah, I think it's just a little bit too quiet, buddy.
We gotta put the super pencil.
I love them damn old gassers. Yeah, she's badass for sure. I even like the red, don't you?
Oh, I love the red.
What a cool car, right? That's for all my gasser buddies that watch the channel. Thank you, Tony. Thanks for sharing the day with us. Letting us check out that car. With the weather changing, I'm hoping to be able to do more of that type stuff instead of all garage projects. Although I love doing these videos as well, because it gets progress on all my cars. But I know you guys would like to see some different stuff. The racetrack around here is almost fully opened, so we're going to get more of that. But yeah, that was a cool car. It is really super nice, and Tony's really excited to have it, and I'm glad too. So our goal is, there's an indoor show up here. It's Drag Fest. So him and I are planning on doing that show, along with some of our other friends. My 55 gasser and the Nova is going to go to that event. So I got to get busting on that 55 gasser and get it done. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for checking out the video. Upcoming projects right now, I'll just tell you where we're at. I'm waiting on the seat belts. I ordered the bed strips for this truck. The 55 Dreamsicle is later on this month heading to the interior guy, like I've been saying, but he goes the end of March. 55 gasser hinges have been made, so we're going to start putting the hinges on so we can get that top front end going. It's pretty cool. It's a flip up design. I can't wait to see it myself all work out. And yeah, that's where we're at right now. A lot of good videos are coming. Stick around. Again, thanks for watching. Hit that sub button, hit that bell, and we will see you on the next video.